Dry paint on clothes can be a real headache, but don't worry. Here's how you can remove it effectively. First, let's start with baking soda. Baking soda is great for breaking down the paint particles and making them easier to lift off the fabric. Add 1 teaspoon of baking soda to a small bowl. Next, we are going to use hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide works against dry paint by breaking down the paint's chemical structure, making it easier to remove. Add 1 teaspoon of hydrogen peroxide to the bowl with the baking soda. Now we'll use dish soap. Dish soap is effective because it helps to dissolve the paint and lift it away from the fabric fibers. Add 1 teaspoon of dish soap to the mixture in the bowl. Once all the ingredients are in the bowl, mix them together very well until you have a uniform paste. Take a brush and dip it into this mixture. Apply the paste directly onto the paint stain on your clothing. Use the brush to rub the mixture into the fabric, scrubbing gently but firmly. This will help to lift the paint from the fabric fibers. Continue to rub the mixture into the stain for a few minutes. You should start to see the paint breaking down and lifting away from the fabric. After scrubbing, rinse the area with warm water to remove the mixture and the dissolved paint. Check the fabric to ensure the stain is gone. If necessary, repeat the process until the paint is completely removed. And there you have it. Your stain should be gone. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more cleaning tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.